Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks. Today I wanted to chat with you about two stocks that have been absolutely exploding these past couple of weeks. That is AMTD and HKD. So let's get into it. So you've probably seen these two tickers in some of the top gainers lists or headlines of stock market news over these past couple of weeks. I want to take a chance to give you a bit more background so you have some insight into these companies and what exactly has been going on. So let's get right into this, starting off with the AMTD Idea Group. They trade under the ticker AMTD. Their stock is currently priced at $7.34 per share, which is up 22% this past year and notably higher than their 52-week low of about $1. If we look over these last few months, though, the growth has been insane. They're up 559% this past month and 365% this past week. AMTD Idea Group is an investment holding company that engages in strategic investments. They are a leading Hong Kong headquartered comprehensive financial institution. They claim to be one of the few financial institutions with extensive financial industry knowledge and experience across Greater China that is majority owned and managed by local Hong Kong entrepreneurs and professionals. They operate a full-service platform encompassing 3 business lines: investment banking, asset management, and strategic investment. They also have an AMTD SpiderNet, and they believe that this AMTD SpiderNet ecosystem is the bedrock of their success. It helps align them with clients, shareholders, business partners, and investee companies to build an ever-extending, interconnected network that creates value for all stakeholders. Now, let's jump over to the HKD stock and how these two are connected. So what happened is, in mid-July, AMTD Idea Group had an IPO for their subsidiary, AMTD Digital, which now trades under the ticker HKD. Now, they had their IPO at $7.80 per share. The HKD stock now trades at nearly $1,500. It's up over 10,000% from their IPO and is up 733% in the past 5 days. As the name suggests, AMTD Digital is a digital platform. They claim they are Asia's one-stop comprehensive digital solutions platform, and they are the fusion reactor at the core of AMTD's SpiderNet ecosystem. They have businesses spanning multiple verticals, including digital financial services, digital media, content and marketing, the SpiderNet ecosystem solutions, and digital investments. So, why is there so much excitement surrounding this company's IPO? Well, it turns out the company themselves isn't even sure. In a statement to investors, they said that they noted significant volatility in their ADS price and also observed some very active trading volume. To their knowledge, there are no material circumstances, events, nor other matters relating to our company's business and operating activities since the IPO date. Some news outlets, such as CNN, believe that this is the work of retail investors from Reddit forums like Wall Street Bets. In a recent article, they say that the HKD stock seems to become the latest obsession of Wall Street Bets and that the Reddit retail army is back. Although investors on the Reddit forum Wall Street Bets seem to disagree, many saying they have no idea what's going on with HKD or are certainly not making any gains from the company. One Redditor even points out that HKD or AMTD Digital is now the 35th most valuable company and is worth the same as Bank of America, but doesn't really do much. So that is a bit of insight into who these two companies are and the frenzied trading that is going on surrounding them. It doesn't seem that there's much substance behind this big influx of investors, so we'll wait to see how this plays out. With such massive increases, are we waiting for a big decline here soon? Let me know your thoughts in the comments on whether these prices are sustainable or if there's a crash coming quite quickly, and if you think this AMTD hype is worth it at all or just big internet speculation. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. Stay safe out there and do your research before making any trades. Thank you guys for watching.